No, you're not!
I really don't know how to drift, but
I know!
I'm practicing. What's going on, guys? We are out here at the Toledo Speedway. Of course, someone's gonna start up. Toledo Speedway, this is like Toledo's little freedom factory. You guys will hopefully be seeing a lot more of this. We're here with our buddy Aaron. You remember him? We did the Drift 30 event. We got Chad. We got Toad. We did a little bit of work on Toad, like welding up the sprockets and fixing a couple things. So we're gonna go out and test it some more. Aaron invited us out, see if he wanted to hang out. I was like, sure, we'll bring Toad. They're doing all drift stuff because he's in drift week and he has to leave like in a week or two. But we're gonna go see what all the fun's about. Let's try that again. That was time lapse. A few minutes of wasted talking there. If I can even be heard, I don't know.
New play toy. It sounds ridiculous for how it looks coming down the track. I want to see if I can get him to come on the infield. do a lap around the infield. Actually, I want to see him loop it. It looks ridiculous. You got a tire off the ground. Broke it. Yep, I heard you unload it and I was like, you just lost the chain. The walk of shame right now. Dude, that thing looks crazy coming around the track. Like, it's so stupid. It looks straight like Mario Kart for sure. Really? Yes. Did you chuck the chain all the way off? Oh God. So we don't have any master links? Fudge. We're done.
Ooh, no, it broke. It snapped the chain.
Yeah, you were. Okay.
It snapped the link in the middle. That's a solid bar.
Where's the master?
Somewhere in there.
It's not on my side. Unless it's on your hand.
That's some power.
Let me see.
Oh, it's right here.
Yeah. You'll have that, I suppose.
Okay.
Well, we're done.
We're done. Maybe we can get someone's drift car.
Oh, that's awesome.
Thank you.
Awesome.
What do you think of it?
It's awesome. I love it.
Woo! All right, we pushed it back. So if you can see, we completely snapped the bar in the chain. Maybe because it was a little loose. Who knows, but we figured out more things with Toad. And so we need to tune the carbs and then fix that. Yeah.
We're to crash into a wall. Hey, we gotta mess her stuff up for messing our stuff up.
I really don't know how to drift, but
I know.
I'm practicing. Dude, the e-brake just whips it around.
Yeah.
Alright guys, that was fun. I was drifting for a little bit while Chad's with Aaron. I can't wait to see that footage. Any funny stuff in there?
I don't know. It's kind of hard to, like, I was trying to record the cars that we were doing tandems with while also trying to pay attention to his AFRs and pay attention to like where my head is at. And I don't know if I got any good shots, to be honest.
I guess you guys would have saw already, but I was doing some drifting while he was there, and then he hopped in, and actually, like, after a couple passes, I think I was doing some kind of drifty things. But now we're gonna load up, broke Toad, because you know we like to break everything, and we're gonna end it off there, and we will see you guys on the next one.